Class V here, back again, continuing our series on the AIT workplace, my workplace. Okay, this is part 6 of the series, and today we're going to talk about the process monitor actions. Okay, so as a maintenance manager or supervisor, anything that your clerk does inside the my workplace, you're able to verify and make sure that it's correct, they're doing their jobs, and most importantly, they're doing it correctly. There's no errors. All right, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be notified anytime another video is posted. So let's go ahead and jump into my workplace. So right from this main screen, like I told you in my previous videos, you'll be the home screen. You'll go to plant maintenance, go to my workplace, and for the maintenance managers and supervisors, you can go to process monitor. All right, so this little button or this little screen will pop up. Just go ahead and hit apply, and what's going to happen is you're going to put in a little bit of data, but you're going to be able to pull data on who has been doing what. All right, so please keep in mind, so this only captures what has been done in my workplace. So if the clerks are actually using the WinGUI system and they're not using this system, then it's not going to actually capture. So whatever's actually physically done in this my workplace, this is the data you're going to pull. What is cool is you are able to put in multiple slopes, so you can pull all of your data. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and load some more of the slopes here. My battalion is pretty new to this and they don't know much about it, so they're in the process of actually go ahead and actually using this on a daily basis. All right, so once you have your plant and slope loaded, there's multiple processes that you can actually view. You can use good receipts, your putaways, your picking, goods issue, fast issue, turn in parts, and your dispatches. All right, so like I said, we're going to do several videos in this series, but this video is just pretty much to show you maintenance managers and supervisors out there how you go about getting data pulled. All right, so you go ahead and you can pick the process. So I'm going to pick fast issue. And now when you report period, you can do either 24 hours, last 7 days, or Pacific date range. So I'm going to do let's just do 14 April through today. And then when you select statuses, I want to see the errors, the warnings, and what was successful. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to hit execute. All right, so once this stuff comes up here, okay, it's going to tell you a bunch of information. One, it's going to give you a status, whether it be green, red, or the yellow triangle. We were familiar with those with our parts bin on the equip sit. It's going to give you the material, the description, the quantity, the unit, the bin if it was shop stock, the admin number of what they were working on, the work order, the reservation plant, the slope, material number, or material dock number, and then material posted. All right, so like I said, there's a lot of information you can do here. You can actually click on this and it's going to bring up exactly what they did. So you can pull up the dock right here. All right, same thing with this one, the work order, or right there. So there you go. So that's how you would pull all your fast issues, stuff that's been done. Let's try dispatches. I'm not sure if I have any dispatches in here, but we'll verify. All right, so here you go. So there's been 2 dispatches that have been done through the system. So one thing that's pretty cool about this is you can click on the notification here. If it loads, it's going to pull open another screen for you. Come on. All right, it's not going to load, is it? All right, so anyway, so it'll pull up a notification. So if you need to adjust it or print it or so forth, you can do that. And of course, gcss-army is going to time it, but that's all right. So that actually includes the video. So that's how you would pull all of the different reports and see what your clerks or maintenance managers, supervisors have been up to. So I hope this video is helpful. Like I said, this is part 6 of our video series. More videos will be posted. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, go Ordnance.